Hello viewers, welcome back to Reenka Kitchen. Today's video is all about cucumber oil. The cucumber is already washed and pat dry, so I'm going to be making use of half of the cucumber. All we need to do for this oil is to peel the back of the cucumber. So we are going to be making use of the back, the green aspect of the cucumber. So we are going to be peeling it out in order to make use of it. After we must have peeled the back of the cucumber out, we are going to be drying it. So I'm going to be spreading the cucumber peels on a tray and allow it to dry. This takes about just a day, depending on the weather. Here is the cucumber. The back of the cucumber. It is now dried, so we are going to be blending it and adding oil to it. We are going to be using dry blender. Add the dry cucumber peel into the blender and blend into a thin powder. I am making use of the blender that is used for blending dry things because I actually want the powder of this cucumber peel. This is the extent we can go. So we are going to be adding it to this jar. Olive oil comes in at this stage. A little bit of olive oil that can cover it. You can actually make use of any oil of your choice. At this stage, we are going to be covering it. We are going to be leaving it in this jar for good 2 days. The cucumber oil is now ready. We are going to be sieving it. Cucumber peel is rich in minerals and vitamins. It is used to keep the facial skin soft and smooth. It also acts as a skin toner and helps to neutralize your hair. This is the oil. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.